Howdy everybody. I've found a pretty nasty bug in Fusion 360 Cam. The bug basically makes it output Imperial units instead of metric units. It might go the other direction, but I'm not trying to spend my life investigating the bug. I just want to show it and hopefully hopefully save a few bits out there. Okay, so I have this simple part here. I've modeled it in metric. I've got a single operation, it's just a drill operation. You also note that the origin is set to the bottom left rear of the part. I don't think the origin matters, but it's more illustrative of what the problem is here. Okay, so I'll post this out. I'm using the dump post processor, and the unit selector here is set to document units. The first one is going to be 1001A.dmp. Now I'll go back in here. The only thing I'll do differently is I'm going to right click and change all of these values to default. They're already at default, but I'm going to reset them all to default. You'll note that the unit hasn't changed, nothing's changed, except when I actually post the code to 1001B and compare it to A, you'll see that there's a number of differences between them. All these pink lines are differences between the two files. You also see that I posted them like 23 seconds apart. So, we've got the stock upper Z, which is 10, which is correct because this is a 10 millimeter tall part. On the correct code, it is set to 10. On the bad code, it is set to 0.3937, which is the imperial equivalent of 10 millimeters, the inch equivalent, I should say. So, as far as I can tell, once you've reset your post-processor values to default, you can't get them back unless you restart Fusion 360. Thankfully, restarting does seem to fix it, so you're not stuck with it. So if you're using a machine like mine that does not use G20 or G21 and will just use whatever code you feed it, it might be worthwhile to go in there and verify that it is actually using the correct units before you run it. Anyhow, good luck. Thanks for watching.